Creating a luxury bedroom starts with a clear vision. Join us as we transform this empty space into a sophisticated sanctuary. We begin with a completely blank canvas, a minimal space full of potential for a total overhaul. Our team arrives with all the tools and expertise needed to bring our design to life. First, a fresh coat of luxury beige paint sets a warm and inviting tone for the entire room. Next, we install elegant wooden wall panels to add texture and a premium feel to the space. Warm, modern LED lighting is integrated into the ceiling to create the perfect ambiance. The room's centerpiece, a luxury king-size bed, is carefully positioned to anchor the design. Long, flowing curtains are added to frame the window and soften the natural light. We bring the space to life with carefully selected art, lush plants, and stylish decorative accents. A final polish ensures every detail is perfect before we reveal the finished transformation. The result is a stunning, sophisticated sanctuary, from a blank room to an elegant retreat.